Hi there, I'm Michael with Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Valterra FridgeCool automatic exhaust fan for your RV refrigerators. This is a pretty straightforward device. It's going to mount near your coils on your refrigerator, help direct air from those coils to your exhaust vent so that your hot air will be blowing out of your RV and it will help make your refrigerator more efficient. The fan can install in several different locations, either on the vents themselves or on the coils themselves, near the vent, on the wall, on the floor. You've got several different options to suit your needs. This is an automatic activated fan, so it's going to turn on when the temperature reaches 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to turn off when it reaches 80 degrees. Now, it's not 100 degrees in my studio here, so I can't really show you the fan working, but it will turn on automatically. You're not going to have to turn it on and off or worry about that. They do include the override switch, and this is not for those everyday situations. That's what the temperature sensor is going to control. This is for when you have your RV in storage so that the fan's not kicking on when it doesn't need to be. This switch is going to be integral to the installation. You'll run your power from the fan to the switch, and that's where you'll hook up your 12-volt power feed so that it's flowing through when you want it to be on, and you can turn it off when you don't need it. The fan is boasted to have a quiet operation, so you're not going to notice the noise. It's not going to be a deterrent for you. The fan is a 4 1/4 inch diameter. You can see there is right about 3 inches tall. Our switch is right about, I'd call about 3/4 of an inch by about 1 1/4 inches. You also have this plate here that you can use to mount it, or if you already have something to mount the switch onto, you can do that as well. The total depth of our switch is right about 1 1/4 inches as well. The amp draw for the fan is going to be 49.8 milliamps at 12 volts. And it's going to have an airflow of 12.5 cubic feet per minute. Now, when I said it can mount in different positions, like I said, there's different mounting options for you. They've included all the hardware that you're going to need to get it mounted in whatever position works best for you. You've got the mounting brackets, the plastic bracket here to mount it to the wall, as well as the screws and nuts that you're going to need depending on which option you choose. So if you want to mount it to the vent itself, you'll just twist these edges, the wings here, into the caulking that seals your vent to the top of your refrigerator. That'll allow the air to blow up through your exhaust vent. If you want to mount it to the back of your fridge, you can secure it to the fan's coils using these brackets here. You'll just loop them around, pass your bolt through there to get it mounted onto the coils. If you want to mount it onto the floor, you'll use these same brackets. Just kind of create a loop to secure one end to the floor, and the top end of the loop will secure to the wings. If you want to mount it on the wall, that's where this bracket comes in. It's going to fit on the fan like that, and you can mount it so that it'll sit next to the wall. It's going to be very easy to get it installed. As far as the wiring goes, as I said, you'll run your red wire to your switch and then connect your 12-volt to the other side of the switch. Your black wire is going to go to your ground. It's going to work off of 12-volt power, so you want to make sure that you've got your switch on anytime you want this to turn on automatically. This does come with a 1-year warranty from Valterra. That's going to complete our look at the Valterra FridgeCool automatic exhaust fan for your RV refrigerators.